Are your third-party applications failing because of the LUM SDK 64 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. While we cover the technical fix for LUM SDK 64, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This DLL file is the 64-bit Logitech Unified Messenger SDK library. It enables modern Windows applications to interface with Logitech's specialized communication hardware and handle device-specific messaging protocols efficiently. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Corsair iCUE installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Corsair iCUE is the fastest way to restore the LUM SDK 64 DLL and get the program running again. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the LUM SDK 64 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install the LUM SDK 64 DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on the LUM SDK 64. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for the LUM SDK 64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.